I gave 3 AI app builders the exact same prompt, build a real task manager from scratch. 2 nailed it under 4 minutes without any issue. And third, build the most beautiful app of the bunch that completely doesn't work. Same prompt, 3 completely different builds, and 1 honest winner by the end. Round 1, speed. Same prompt, same app, a full task manager with sign in, a database, and deployed live on the web. No do-overs, no cherry picking, and no second chances. First round, pure speed. Bolt was done in just 3 minutes 49 seconds. First try, 0 fixes, 0 intervention, and absolutely no manual tweaking, making it comfortably the fastest builder of 3 by a clear margin. Lovable finished right on the wheels, 4 minutes flat, and it also nailed everything on very first attempt without needing any extra prompt or correction, an incredibly strong result. Then came Replit, 8+ minute, multiple back and forth fixes, and the first run failed completely, burning through all my free credits. Their on-site even admits it, the AI behavior is problematic. Round 1 goes to Bolt. Round 2, does it actually work when you start using it? Bolt flawless. First I log in and get into the app. I create a project, added a few tasks, check one off, and delete another. Every feature works exactly as expected, but the real test isn't creating data, it's keeping it. I sign out and sign back in, hard refresh the page, and everything is still there. That's a real database doing its job. Lovable tells almost exactly the same story. Once I am logged in, I created a project, added a few tasks, check one off, and deleted another. Everything works exactly as it should be. Then I sign out, sign back in, refresh the page, and all my data is still there. And honestly, it might even be better looking app of these two. Then Replit, right away I am asked to verify my email before I can even get into the app. Once I am finally in, things quickly fall apart. There is nowhere to create a project, no way to add a task, and even sign out doesn't work properly. It actually diagnosed the problem correctly. But by then I had already hit the usage limit, couldn't apply the fix. Bolt and Lovable pass with flying colors. Replit fails the one round that matters most. Round 3, can you actually ship what you built? All 3 gave me a live URL. Bolt, open it in fresh incognito window with no login, and it just works exactly as expected. A real shareable app that anyone can use. Lovable, same deal. One click live URL, opens perfectly in incognito, and everything works 2 for 2. Replit URL loads too, but is shipping the exact same broken app. Sure, the link is live, but a live URL to something that doesn't actually function isn't really shipping, it's just publishing a broken app. Bolt and Lovable take another round. Round 4, the part almost nobody talks about. Can you actually do this for free? Bolt barely flinched. The entire build used only 10% of its monthly token. At that pace, you could build this roughly 9 more times without paying a single cent. Lovable works differently. Instead of monthly pool, you get a smaller daily credit grant. I started with 10 credit, and this single build alone used more than 4 of them, leaving me 5.9. And Replit, it doesn't just run slowly, it completely burned through my entire credit limit. 0 credits left, it cost the most out of all 3 and delivered the least. Bolt wins cost and it wins the category comfortably. Last round, do you actually own what you have built when you are finished? Bolt lets you view, edit the code directly in the browser, and you can share the project by email, but there is still no direct download option. Lovable is the most complete package here. Full source code, you can browse, an actual download button, plus the deepest backend panel, database, authentication, storage, and even a built-in SQL editor. Replit also show you everything, all the code, plus a live production database, but just like Bolt, there is still no download option. You can view and edit, but not easily take everything with you. So it's not a clean tie. Lovable pulls ahead here. It's only one that lets you actually take your code and leave. So same prompt, 3 very different results. Here is the honest verdict, and it's not one size fits all. Want the fastest, cheapest path to a working app? Bolt, it won a speed, won cost, and everything worked first try. If design matters most, you are less worried about credits. Lovable, just as functional, prettier, and the only one that lets you own your code. And the Replit, The self-testing agent is genuinely cool idea and the UI design is gorgeous, but across 2 attempts it could not build an app that actually works, and it cost the most doing it. Beautiful facade, broken app, maybe next version. My overall winner is Bolt. That's honest result, no sponsorship, no cherry picking and no special treatment. I simply built the exact same app 3 different times and compare the results. If that's useful, subscribe. I test these AI tools with real project every single week. What should I test next? Tell me below.